Tasty, crunchy, and made with 100% natural whole grain oats. No wonder kids never outgrow them. The one and only Cheerios.
The Lackawanna Coal Mine Tour and Electric City Trolley Museum. Great things are happening here. Take another look at all that Lackawanna County has to offer.
Summer day camp is underway for dozens of youngsters in Lackawanna County.
You like that?
The Dixon City Civic Center began with a samba dance today, this year's 13th annual. It marks the start of 10 weeks of activities, sports, and arts and crafts, field trips, and swimming.
I like it here because we go to different field trips every Tuesday and it's really fun. I need to meet new friends and play with my friends.
The whole day began with young campers reciting the Pledge of Allegiance around the flagpole here in Dixon City. Dozens of homes in Carbondale are getting spruced up thanks to a fleet of volunteers from all over the country who are here. About 300 teenagers are involved in Lackawanna County.
He's got his one leg bent underneath him, or he's helping keep him propped up.
Many of these teens don't even know each other. They were just looking for an opportunity to do some volunteer work. Carbondale's mayor thinks the organization chose this city because there are so many older homes. About 50 of the homes are getting some fix-up work thanks to the nonprofit group. The owners of several local fast food restaurants are giving back to the community. Albert and Carol Mueller, who own 16 McDonald's restaurants in northeastern Pennsylvania, donated more than $10,000 to the Naog Park Conservancy. The money will be used to help with startup costs and supplies like soil, shovels, and seeds.
Pots, all
Hey,
the materials
baby boy.
that are necessary for the educational component to come together, and we would be looking to the community to pull that together. And it's
Toby.
incredible that the Muellers with the Ronald McDonald Charity were willing to already, get that going for us so the program can continue and build and everyone can enjoy it.
DePaul School in Scranton was also awarded $10,000 for teaching children with dyslexia. Today's money came from customer donations at local McDonald's restaurants.